Dear students, now I am going to explain how to solve problem number 14. This question already appeared in the examination which carries 24 marks. Please see. Arun Brothers obtained a lease of coal mine on 1st January 2016 on the following terms from Mr. Rajesh. Arun Brothers is considered as lessee and Rajesh is considered as lessor. Point number 1, royalty of rupee 1 per ton. Royalty payable rupees 1 per ton. Number 2, minimum rent rupees 12,000 per annum. Minimum rent rupees 12,000 per annum. Number 3, recoupment of short workings of each year during the next 3 years subject to a maximum of 2,500 per annum. Recovery of short workings of each year during the next 3 years. ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಅದರ ಮುಂದಿನ 3 ವರ್ಷದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ you can recoup up to rupees 2,500. Okay, 2,500 ವರೆಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 2,500ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. Understand? Next, number 4, in the event of strike the minimum rent would be taken pro rata on the basis of actual working days. But in the event of lockout, the lessee would enjoy a concession in respect of minimum rent for 50% of the period of lockout. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ದಿನದ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಲಾಕ್ಔಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಿಂಗಳು ಲಾಕ್ಔಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ 50% ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಂಬರ್ 5, the workings for the first 5 years is as follows. 2016 7,000 royalty, 2016 royalty in rupees 7,000, 2017 10,200 royalty rupee 1 per ton. It means 10,200 output, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, output in tons. Next, 2018 19,000 royalty payable, 2019 10,800, strike for 73 days. This data taken into account while computing minimum rent. Okay. Next, 2020 9,000, lockout for 4 months. This data taken into account while computing minimum rent payable. Okay. Prepare the following ledger accounts in the books of Arun Brothers. Point A, royalty accounts. Point B, short workings account. Point number C, Rajesh's account. Before the preparation of ledger account, okay, we shall prepare royalty payment table. Okay, next, write down solution. Next, write down in the books of Arun Brothers, in the middle of the page, write down table showing the payment of royalty. Draw necessary column. First column write down year. Next, output in tons, royalty, write in bracket rupees 1, minimum rent. Next column, next short workings, next surplus, next short working recovered, next short working recovered, next paid to Rajesh. Okay, yes, year given in the problem 2016 17 18 19 20. First write down years. 2016, next 2017, next 2018, next 2019, next 2020. Okay, next write down output in tons given in the problem. In this problem, royalty payable and output are one and the same because royalty of rupee 1 per ton. ಪ್ರತಿ ಟನ್ನಿಗೆ 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಒಂದೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2016 output how much? 7,000. Next 2016 output 7,000. 2017 output 10,200. Next 2018 output 19,000. Next 2019 output 10,800. Next 2020 output 9,000. Okay, next calculate royalty payable. 7,000 into 1, 7,000. Next 10,000. Next 10,200 into 1, 10,200. Next 19,000 into 1, 19,000. Next 10,800 into 1, 10,800. Next 9,000 into 1, 9,000. Next, write down minimum rent given in the problem. 12,000 per annum. While recording minimum rent, please see data. If there is any strike or lockout in any year, then you have to deduct minimum rent relating to that period. Okay. Yes, 12,000 per year. 2016 no strike, no lockout, 12,000. 17 same, 12,000. 18 same, 12,000. 19, okay, how much? 2019 strike for 73 days, you have to deduct 73 days minimum rent. Please see note 2019 minimum rent every year 12,000 into 73 divided by 365 days, okay, equal to 2,400. Minimum rent payable every year 12,000 minus 2,400 equal to 9,600 is the minimum rent payable in the year 2019. 9,600. Write down minimum rent column 2019. Next 2020 same 12,000, but please see 2020 data lockout for 4 months. Okay, please see point number 4. In the event of lockout, the lessee would enjoy a concession in respect of minimum rent for 50% of the period of lockout. Minimum rent payable how much? 12,000 per annum. 12,000 per annum means 1,000 per month. Understand? If 4 months lockout, okay, seen, then 4 months minimum rent will be 4,000. 1,000 into 4, 4,000. Completed? Lessor gave concession in respect of minimum rent payable during lockout period, that is 50%. Lockout period 4 months. Okay, minimum rent relating to lockout period 4,000. Concession available 50%. Means 2,000. You have to deduct 2,000 from minimum rent payable. Understand? Yes. Please see note 2020 minimum rent payable every year 12,000 minus concession 2,000 minus 2,000. How much? Minimum rent equal to 10,000. ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಅಥವಾ ಲಾಕ್ಔಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಅಥವಾ ಲಾಕ್ಔಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಏನು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಸ್, ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟೆಡ್. ಓಕೆ, next, yes, find out amount payable to Rajesh every year. Okay, please see 2016 data. Royalty payable 7,000, minimum rent payable 12,000. Understand? If minimum rent more than royalty, then we can see short working. 12,000 minus 7,000, how much? Write in short workings column 5,000. No surplus dash, no short workings, no short working recovered, then amount paid to Rajesh is minimum rent, that is 12,000. Completed. Next, 2017 royalty 10,200, minimum rent 12,000. Minimum rent is more than royalty. 12,000 minus 10,200, how much? 1,800. Considered as short working, write in short working column. Next, no surplus, no short working recovered, no short working irrecovered. Amount paid to Rajesh is minimum rent 12,000. Completed. Next, 2018 royalty 19,000, minimum rent 12,000, royalty more than minimum rent. Okay, we can see surplus in royalty, write in surplus column 19,000 minus 12,000, how much? 7,000. Okay, we can see short workings in last years. Okay, 5,000 plus 1,800, total 6,800. Okay, we can recover up to rupees 2,500 every year. Please see problem. Point number 3, recoupment of short workings of each year during the next 3 years subject to a maximum of 2,000. We can recover up to rupees 2,500 every year. Okay, yes, right in short workings column 2,500. Completed. Next, short working irrecovered, no. Okay, amount paid to Rajesh, how much? 19,000 minus 2,500, is it 16,500? 19,000 minus short working recovered 2,500. Okay, yes, paid to Rajesh how much? 16,500. Completed. Next, 2019 royalty payable 10,800, minimum rent 9,600, royalty is more than minimum rent. Next, we can see surplus in royalty, write in surplus column 10,800 minus 9,600, how much? 1,200. Completed. How much amount to be recovered this year? 1,200. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? 1,200. ಸರಿಯಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎನಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ irrecovered. Okay, out of 5,000 we recovered how much? 2,500 and 1,200, total 3,700 recovered. Remaining how much? 1,300 not recovered. Okay. If there is any short working, it should be recovered within 3 years from the short working arised. Okay. ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಅದರ ಮುಂದಿನ 3 ವರ್ಷದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ? ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 16ರಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದರ ಮುಂದಿನ 3 ವರ್ಷ 17, 18, 19ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ 19ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? 2019 ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಅದನ್ನ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇರಿಕವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟದು? 1,300. ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇರಿಕವರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ 1,300. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್. ಈ 2017 ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ 1,800 ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೂ 1 ವರ್ಷ ಇದೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಇವಾಗ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಪೇಡ್ ಟು ರಾಜೇಶ್ 2019. Royalty 10,800 minus short working recovered 1,200. How much? Is it 9,600? Yes, 9,600 paid to Rajesh. Next, 2020. Royalty 9,000. Minimum rent 10,000. Minimum rent is more than royalty. We can see short working. Right in short working column, 10,000 minus 9,000. How much? 1,000. No surplus. Completed. No short working recovered. Next, find out if there is any short working irrecovered. Yes, 2017ರ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ 1,800. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ 1,800 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇರಿಕವರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇರಿಕವರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ 1,800. ಓಕೆ, 2017ರ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮುಂದಿನ 3 ವರ್ಷದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ? ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 18, 19, 20. 20ಯಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಆ ವರ್ಷ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಇರಿಕವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಪೇಡ್ ಟು ರಾಜೇಶ್. ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಪೇಡ್ ಟು ರಾಜೇಶ್, minimum rent. Minimum rent is more than royalty. Okay, 10,000. Okay, these are some information relating to royalty payment table. Next, please see problem. Prepare the following ledger accounts in the books of Arun Brothers. Point A, royalty accounts. Point B, short workings account. Point number C, Rajesh's account. Ledger accounts prepared without opening minimum rent account. Okay, yes. Please note journal entries while preparing ledger accounts. If the minimum rent account is not opened, point A, if royalty is less than minimum rent, entry royalties account debtor, short workings account debtor to lesser's account. Point B, if royalty is equal or more than minimum rent, entry royalties account debtor to lesser's account. Point number C, for recoupment of short workings, recovery of short workings, lesser's account debtor to short workings account. Point number D, for the payment of cash to the lesser's account debtor to cash or bank account. Point number F, for the for the transfer of royalties to profit and loss account or production account. In this problem, lessee is the producer of coals, hence royalty transfer to production account. Entry production account debtor to royalties account. Next, number G, for the transfer of irrecoverable of short workings, if any, to the profit and loss account. Entry profit and loss account debtor to short workings account. Okay, Yes, we shall prepare one by one. Okay, first account, royalties account. In the middle of the page, write down royalty. While working out a royalty account, you have to know two entries. First one, royalty due to Rajesh. Entry, royalty account debtor to Rajesh's account. Second one, royalty transfer to production account. Entry, production account debtor to royalty account. Understand? Yes. Please see royalty table 2016 royalty column. Please see royalty column only while working out royalty account. Royalty account prepare ಮಾಡುವಾಗ royalty column ಮಾತ್ರ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Understand? 2016 royalty 7,000. Write down debit side 2016 royalty account debtor to Rajesh's account 7,000. Completed. Next, this royalty 7,000 transferred to production account. Write in credit side 2016 by production account 7,000. Completed. Total it debit side 7,000. Credit side 7,000. 2016 royalty account over. Next 2017. Okay, please see royalty table 2017 royalty column 10,200. First entry royalty account debtor to Rajesh's account. Royalty due to Rajesh. Amount column 10,200. Completed. Next, transfer royalty to production account. Production account debtor to royalty by production account. Credit side date 2017 by production account. $10,200. Total it debit side 10,200. Credit side 10,200. Okay, 2017 royalty account over. Next 2018. Okay, see royalty column 19,000. Okay, first entry 2018 to Rajesh's account 19,000. Completed. Next, transfer royalty to production account. Credit side date column write down here 2018 by production account 19,000. Total it debit side 19,000, credit side 19,000. Next 2018 royalty account over. Next 2019 royalty table nodi 10,800. Write down debit side 2019 to Rajesh's account 10,800. Next, transfer balance to royalty account. Credit side 2019 by production account 10,800. Okay, total it debit side 10,800. Credit side 10,800. Next, last year 2020. Please see royalty table 2020 royalty amount 9,000. Write down debit side 2020 to Rajesh's account 9,000. Next, transfer it to production account. Credit side 2020 by production account 9,000. Okay, total it debit side 9,000, credit side 9,000. Okay. Yes. Royalty account over. You have to prepare royalty account till 2020. Understand? Next, second account. Next account, short workings account. Draw necessary column. Please write rupees in amounts column. While preparing short workings account, you should know three entries. First entry, short working taken into account. Entry, short workings account debtor to Rajesh's account. Understand? Short workings account debtor to lesser's account. Second entry, recovery of short working. Reverse of first entry. ಏನದು? Lesser's account debtor to short workings account. Rajesh's account debtor to short workings account. And third entry, if there is irrecovered short working, then it has to be transferred to profit and loss account. Entry, profit and loss account debtor to short workings account. Got it? Yes. While working out short workings account, please see royalty table, short workings column, short workings, recovered column, short workings, irrecovered column. Okay, yavel column notkolli, short workings column notkolli, short workings, recovered column notkolli, short working, irrecovered column notkolli. Okay, yes, please see royalty table. 2016 short working 5,000. First entry, short working taken into account. Entry, short working account debtor to Rajesh's account. Write down. Debit side, 2016 to Rajesh's account 5,000. In the year 2016, no short working recovered, no short working irrecovered. Balance it. Which side shows more balance? Debit side total 8, 5,000. Next, write in credit side 5,000. Once again, write above total 5,000 on credit side. Okay. In front of the total, write down 2016 by balance carried down. Next, transfer the balance to next year. Okay, debit side 2017. To balance brought down 5,000. Next, see royalty table, short working column. 2017 short working 1,800. No short working recovered, no short working irrecovered. Okay. Yes, only one entry to be passed. That is short working taken into account, short workings account debtor to Rajesh's account 1,800. Completed? Yes. Total it. Which side shows more balance? Debit side 6,800. Credit side 6,800. Okay, above total, write down once again 6,800. In front of the total, write down 2017 by balance carried down. Next, transfer the balance to next year. 2018 debit side, after total, write down to balance brought down 6,800. Next, please see royalty table 2018 short working recovered 2,500. No short working in this year. We can see short working recovered. When short working recovered, entry lesser's account debtor to short workings account. Understand? Ganesh's account, Rajesh's account debtor to short workings account. No short working irrecovered. Okay, 2,500. Okay. Yes, write down. You already know entry Rajesh's account debtor to short workings account. Short workings account credited. Hence, recorded credit side. Write down 2018 by Rajesh's account 2,500. Completed? Yes. Find out which side shows more balance. Okay. Debit side shows more balance. Leave one line. Total it. Debit side 6,800. Write in credit side 6,800. 6,800 minus 2,500. Is it 4,300? Yes, 4,300. Write down. In front of the total, write down by balance carried down. Completed. Next, transfer the balance to next year 2019. To balance brought down 4,300. Next, please see analytical table 2019 2019, no short working, but we can see short working recovered 1200, short working recovered 1300. We have to pass two entries. Eradu entry pass madlikkide. Okay, we shall write one by one. First entry, short working recovered entry, Rajesh's account returned to short working's account, short working credited, hence recorded credit side 2019 by Rajesh's account 1200 completed. Next, second entry, short working recovered 1300. If there is any short working recovered, transfer to profit and loss account entry, profit and loss account entered to short workings account. Okay, once again short workings account credited, hence recorded on credit side. Okay, by profit and loss account 1300 completed. Yes, only two entries to be recorded. Okay, next, leave one line, find out which side shows more balance. Okay, debit side shows more balance 4300. Next, write in credit side 4300. 4300 minus 2500. 1200 plus 1300. 2500. Is it 1800? Check it. Yes. Okay, credit side above total write down 1800. In front of the amount write down by balance carried down. Next, transfer the balance to next year 2020. Two balance brought down 1800. Completed? Yes. Next, please see analytical table. (2020) short working column. Okay, yes, we can see short working. First entry, short working taken into account, short working account entered to Rajesh's account. Okay, recorded on debit side to Rajesh's account. Next, short working recovered 1800. Okay, recovered transferred to profit and loss account, recorded on credit side by profit and loss account 1800. Okay, write down. Okay, debit side, short working taken into account 1000. Okay, write down to Rajesh's account 1000. Next, short working recovered 1800. Transfer to profit and loss account 1800. Okay, write down credit side 2020 by profit and loss account 1800. Completed? Yes, balance sheet. Which side shows more balance? Yes. Debit side shows more balance 2800. Next, credit side 2800. 2800 minus 1800. How much is it? 1000. Yes. Credit side above total write down 1000. In front of the amount write down by balance carried down. In the problem, first 5 years lease information given. Because of that reason, okay, short workings account shows a debit balance of rupees 1000. Okay. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀಸಿನ 5 ವರ್ಷದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೊದಲ 5 ವರ್ಷದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಓಕೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟದು 1000. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಟಿಲ್ 2020 ವರೆಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, prepare Rajesh's account. In the middle of the page, write down Rajesh's account, draw necessary columns. while working out Rajesh's account, please see two accounts you already prepared. First one royalty account, second one short workings account. Okay, understand? Next, you should know another one entry, that is royalty paid to landlord entry, Rajesh's account debtor to bank account. Whether it may be minimum rent or royalty, whatever it may be, when a payment made to landlord entry, Rajesh's account debtor to bank account. Okay. Yes. Please see royalty account, debit side, 2016 to Rajesh's account 7,000. Okay. If you record a debit side here, next you have to record reverse entry on credit side. Okay. Yes. Credit side entry madi 2016 by royalty account 7,000. Next, please see short workings account debit side. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ. ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಬೈ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 5,000. ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ first entry, if royalty is less than minimum rent entry, royalty account debtor, short workings account debtor to Rajesh's account. Okay. Second entry, amount paid to landlord entry, Rajesh's account debtor to bank account. How much? Please see royalty table, last column. Okay. 12,000. Completed. Totally credit side 12,000, debit side 12,000. Over. Next, 2017 royalty account, debit side to Rajesh's account 10,200. Here you debited Rajesh's account. Okay, we have to record this one on credit side. 2017 by royalty account 10,200. Completed. Next, please see short workings account 2017 to Rajesh's account 1,800. Okay, post that item by short workings account 1,800. Completed. Total it. Credit side 12,000. Right in debit side 12,000. Okay. When payment made to Rajesh entry, Rajesh's account debtor to bank account 2017 to bank account. How much? 12,000. Understand? ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಓಕೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬೈ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಬೈ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 12,000 ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸರಿಯಾ? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೊದಲು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ಓಕೆ, ನಂತರ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 2017 ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 12,000. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ please see royalty account 2018 to Rajesh's account 19,000. Write down Rajesh's account credit side 2018 by royalty account 19,000. Next, please see short workings account 2018 debit side illa, credit side nodi 2018 by Rajesh's account to the 500. Okay, illi credit side adralli debit side. Okay, write down 2018 to short workings account 2,500. Next, find out which side shows more balance. Credit side shows more balance 19,000. Next, write in debit side 19,000. Difference 19,000 minus 2,500. Is it 16,500? Yes, 16,500. Okay, what is this? Royalty table 2018 last column nodi, last column nalli paid to Rajesh ide 16,500 aita. When payment made to Rajesh, entry Rajesh's account data to bank account 16,500. Completed. Next 2019. Next 2019, please see royalty account, debit side 2019 to Rajesh's account 10,800. Yes. Ali debit side adre illi credit side 2019 by royalty account 10,800. Next, please see short workings account, debit side no entry, credit side 2019 by Rajesh's account 1,200. Okay, you have to pass this entry on debit side. Okay, write down 2019 to short workings account 1,200. Okay, leave one line, find out which side shows more balance. Credit side shows more balance 10,800. Next, write in debit side 10,800. Difference 10,800 minus 1,200, is it 9,600? 2019 last column ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, royalty table paid to Rajesh 9,600 ಅಂತ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 9,600. Completed. Next 2020. Please see royalty account. Debit side to Rajesh's account 9,000. Okay. Transfer it to credit side 2020 by royalty account 9,000. Next, please see royalty account. Debit side to Rajesh's account 1,000. Here debit, then we have to record this entry on credit side. Okay. Yes, write down by short workings account 1,000. By short workings account 1,000. Completed. Please see on credit side any other entries to be made. No. Yes. Okay, total it. Which side shows more balance? Credit side 10,000. Right in debit side. Okay. Next entry. Payment made to Rajesh account entered to bank account 2020. Debit side to bank account 10,000. Also, please see 2020 royalty table last column paid to Rajesh 10,000 recorded. Okay, that one recorded here to bank account 10,000. We prepared royalty account, short workings account and Rajesh's account. Thank you.